Connecting a keyboard to your Samsung 32-inch smart TV can make typing and navigation easier. Here's how to do it. Start by checking the available ports on your TV. Most Samsung smart TVs support USB keyboards. Simply plug the USB keyboard directly into one of the TV's USB ports. The TV should automatically recognize the keyboard, and you can start using it for typing in search bars, forms, or app login screens. If your keyboard is wireless, ensure the USB dongle is inserted into the TV's USB port. For Bluetooth keyboards, go to Settings, General. Bluetooth on your TV. Turn on Bluetooth and pair the keyboard by following the on-screen instructions. Note that not all Samsung TVs support Bluetooth keyboards, so check your model's specifications if pairing fails. Once connected, test the keyboard by typing in a search field. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.